Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing another section of the SEMrush tool known as lead generation. So far, we've covered sections like domain analytics, keyword analytics, projects, marketing insights, gap analysis, topic research, and SEO writing assistant. Now we're here in the lead generation tab, so we're going to review it and we're going to see how it works and how exactly can you use it to generate leads or to send out emails regarding any campaigns that you might have. So first of all, we have to set some settings in the widgets, and you can decide whether you want your emails on an official email or a personal email. So you can insert any designated email right here that you want to direct the email leads to. And apart from that, you can also translate and edit your widgets. You can insert the title here, the domain label, email label, phone label, agreement checkbox language, button text, and success text. And apart from that, you can also customize the text color or any background color or button color that you would like for them to review. So when you've established these settings, you can come down and you can also edit the lead email settings. So we have the subject line here and the text here. So this is going to show up when you're sending out your content or any other campaign that you're promoting. This will be the subject and this will be the text. So right now we have our preview here. Based on the settings that we have chosen, this is how it's going to look like. The offer or the title will show up here, the domain label is here, and email is right here, and they can also insert their phone number. So we have chosen these, and as you can see that we have checked the box here, show in widget. So we would like people to avail this. If we were to go with this offer, this is how it's going to look like. This is how this widget will look like. And then there's a checkbox, which will obviously mean that they agree to submit their additional information or any required information that we would want in order to send them a free page audit. And then they can click on this, the Audit Now button. So we can see that the button color here is this, and the text color for stuff is this. So this is how you can customize what kind of pop-ups or what kind of widgets you can use in order to generate leads and send those emails to your prospects or your leads. So this is a very efficient tool because it allows you to understand the approach that you want to use and to apply the settings or apply the changes that you want to simultaneously. So this is extremely useful for generating leads, and apart from that, you can also copy this code and you can paste it on anywhere you'd like the widget to appear. So that is extremely useful. That means that it is not only limited to SEMrush or to some basic lead generation tools that you're using, but it can also be implemented on your site or any other places that you would want to implement this section to. So that is extremely useful. SEMrush tries to cover all of the aspects of marketing, and that includes lead generation as well. So that is extremely advantageous, and it's something that should be considered in order to generate leads and communicate with them efficiently. Then we have leads for. So this is the section of your leads, and it tells you the date, email, phone, and URL. So this was the lead generation section. We're going to go to this Opti section now to see how it works. It is apparently the beta version, so we're going to see what it is and how exactly can it be used. Okay, so this is apparently another lead generation tool. Find leads who need your marketing services. Okay, so close more deals and make tailored offers based on meaningful data on your target clients in no time. So this is specifically a tool that has been introduced by SEMrush to generate leads and to communicate with them in an effective manner. So this is something new, and this is a beta version, so this is still in process. So let's just say that if you want to use it for now, we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna go here, industry on. You can also choose what kind of industry you want to generate the leads for. You can select or deselect them, and after that you can enter a city. Let's just say that if we want to go for Aberdeen, we're going to click on get leads. And this is the overview. And the leads have been generated. So it's an entire process. It looks for prospects and then it generates efficient leads. Okay, so what is paid traffic cost here? The estimated Google ad spend for the last month, paid traffic cost, the lowest estimated Google ad spend over the last month. So this is current and this is minimum, but both are for Google ad spend. And what is legend and filtered leads? Now this might be something that's a bit more complicated for someone who is not familiar with the concept of lead generation and how you can use them to market your brands in a better way. So we're going to click on get leads for free. Okay, so you can insert your name and your email here, and then after checking the box you can click on get leads and you will be able to get them. So check your leads and fill in your contact info. We will send you an email with your leads within 10 minutes. So it doesn't only give you the power to generate leads, but also to customize them according to your taste by choosing the industries, by choosing the opportunity, by choosing the city that you want to generate the leads for, and it delivers them to you in a very effective and efficient manner. So this is a very useful tool by SEMrush, and it is specifically designed to provide leads and to generate leads in a useful manner. So this is something that you can consider if you're looking to get profitable leads, and if you're looking to learn more about generating leads. These tools can be very efficient. The lead generation tool can be very helpful for you to understand the concept of lead generation and also to practice here on this tool. So this was lead generation. You can use this tool to generate leads for yourself as well. So go ahead and use this tool.